Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Oracle Apex, and today our topic is going to discuss checkboxes, radio and switches. We will see what are the differences among these three options and when and where we should use checkbox or radio or switch, and how we can assign default values or we can have our own custom values like yes, no, or why no, whatever, So this is a checkbox, this is a radio, and this one is a switch. So there are three options. These are selections, items, page items. So you can select with your mouse or you can even use keyboard. So let's move to our demo and we will be discussing their properties and how we can set them as per our requirements. Okay, let's move to the demo. So this is my Oracle instance. I've just created one sample demo page in which I am using checkbox as a separate text item. This is separate. Just you click this and that's it. And here I am taking the value of this clicked page item, right? So at the moment, if when it is clicked, it is giving me value Y. And when it is off, N. Same time now I'm going to use checkbox group. So this is single checkbox and this is group, right? So let us try, okay, this one. I think this is giving us JSON. So we'll see how we can change the other, right? Now all three are there, okay? Red, green, blue. Now let us do this and now we will be choosing the radio group. So red, okay, green, yes, blue. What is this? Why it is this? I mean, having no value, right? Do we need it? How we can include it and how we can exclude it? So this we have to check in our properties, right? Okay, the third one or fourth one you can say is a switch. See, it is off just like this checkbox. This single checkbox and switch are having same functionality, but only thing is look and feel that you have to consider as per your design or page, okay, or space availability. What kind of, oh, it depends. Okay, so this is switch, right? And this is checkbox, this checkbox group, and this one is radio group. Okay, so let's move to the properties. So first, let us take this checkbox. This one is a single checkbox. So when you will add page item, on the right side, you are getting the property. Let me increase it. Type checkbox. See here, this is the first one, right? Checkbox. Then same properties. Okay, the important is which is related to this, that is the settings. Use defaults. Use defaults means, so let's say for example Oracle Apex assigned it Y and N, so it is using the default one, right? Because when we are selecting, you see here down, it is Y and N, right? Now if you want to change, you will unselect this switch. See here, switch is used. So it is again your requirement, the way you want. Okay, checked value and unchecked value. Okay, now let me change it. So here I am saying checked. Checked means it is clicked, it is on. So you can also consider it uh, on and off. So second is unchecked. So let me add another also. It is on, it is off, just to. give you comfort to understand. Let us see. See, the title is still checkbox, but when I will click it, see, it is now on. When I will switch it off, it became unchecked off, right? So this is a place where you can change the defaults. Let me get back to the defaults. Sequence, okay, these properties, you can go to my text item video and can have a look. Same way, validations required, etc. And this is also there, the templates, if you want to make mandatory, optional. Source, default, you can assign default value the same way. Okay, it. This is checkbox. So now you will understand what is the difference in checkbox and checkbox group, right? So in this, in the checkbox, if you have decision which is giving you output into two options, on, off, or yes, no, just like this, right? So if there is a third option, you will not use checkbox or switch. For two selections, for out of two selection, if one selection you have to make, then checkbox or switch. So now let us move to the checkbox group. Because sometimes you are getting values from your tables, you have more values, you have to select, it is now. And checkbox group is where you can select multiple values, multiple options, right? Now all four I have selected. Sorry, all three RGB. Okay. So there is a checkbox group. After checkbox, there is a checkbox group. This is label. Okay. Number of columns. If you keep it one, that means you are making it vertical. See here, single column, multiple rows, right? Now, if I want horizontal, make it, let's say if I have three values, I will select it three and refresh. Okay. Now it became in the row format or horizontal, right? Okay. Next is, see, this is what I was saying, JSON, multiple values, type. So if there are multiple values, how it should return the value? I'm saying delimited list and colon, right? Save. How it is changed like this. Okay, we'll see. Okay, red, green, blue. It is not working. Delimited, have any default value, session, but no problem. Okay, so this is now it is at least returning these values here. We'll see why it is showing where it is coming. Red, green. So it is okay, you can make it comma as well. For example, if you need or something else, or pipe sign or depends, right? Don't know what it is saying. Funny. Again. having abnormal. Maybe let me check. I've used this dynamic action for each item to take the or assign the value to the clicked value. This one, this text item, right? It is. Okay, let me off. So we will be having one video on these dynamic actions. Very, very important topic. Very important. Very, very thing problem. Okay, what I will do, let us go down, then we will create a new one and we'll see. Sorry, this one, checkbox. Okay, now let me make it pipe sign, delimited text, and this layout is okay, fine. Same for all this appearance, validation, okay. Shared value. Okay, in this checkbox, if you see here, if I will click this one, list of value is not there. But when we are going to group, we are having this LOV option. List of value. See, I have already selected RGB. This is a property display extra values. That means if something is not in this list, shall it show or not? Now the question is why you need or why you want to show it. There is a possibility you have legacy data, you are migrating from any other application, or instead of entering here, you have uploaded, or you are integrating with other systems. So you want to see if there is any abnormal data or which is not in this list, or you are maturing this list, you are reviewing this list. So you want to see display extra values. That means if it is not RGB, it will still show like this. Even it is not there, right, in our values. I don't know why it is showing, but let me switch it off. So now only whatever is there in this list that will be enforced. Okay, see, like this. Now it is with the pipe sign. Oracle team can review it if it's a bug or what, I don't know. Right? Rest is source when you will have any form and it is attached with that. Session state security. Okay, help will be the same way. You can go through my video on text item, right? Okay, then there is a radio group. Now there is a requirement or possible requirement that out of multiple values, you have to give option to select only one. That is like in your MCQs, in your exam, you got an option and you have a question, you have got four options, but only you have to select one. Then you will use radio group. But if there are multiple answers are correct, then you will use checkbox. Okay. So this is the radio group. This is, I think, in the middle or something at the bottom or towards bottom. Radio group label. I just use the label group. In this, I have selected number of columns 4 just to make it horizontal. You can even make it vertical. Okay, like this. Still, it has the extra value. See here. Sorry. In the radio group, you are getting another option, page action on selection. So even you can submit a page or redirect and set value, right? So you can use this one. Layout, okay, let me minimize it. Appearance, I'm not going to discuss it. Validation, I'm not going to discuss it. sorry, list of values, yes. Display extra values, display null value. See, there is a possibility that you want to give a null value as well. So I'm just disabling it. I don't want to give this option. Save. Now I feel there is a null in this. Let's see. Okay, removed. And also any extra value. So now this having full control, right? RGB. Then we have next advanced. This is fine. Default value again you can select. State this. All these options are already discussed in text item. Okay, so okay, this is your radio group. Okay, the next one is our switch. Switch again, you are going to select from this type property and select the switch. In the switch, you will again give label, and here again you have the use defaults property. By default, it is giving Y, and if I'm not wrong, this is on, this is off. Same way like we did in the checkbox. So I'm just making it like this, but it has on value as well as label as well. So there is a change, right? Here it was only we were changing the value. You see here, see, checked value, unchecked value. Okay, this is it is changing the value, but here it is saying value on value. So I'm just going to select on value on label. I'm not saying that you need to use this way. This is up to your data, right? Off value and off label. I just want to show you how it will show there. That's it. What it's saying before you saving all. Checkbox. Okay, this is sorry. Okay, we have saved it. So this is a switch. This is on value, and this is off value. But the question is, if I will go to switch, why they are saying that on label will change the label as well? Because label it is still keeping the switch. Let me remove this label. Okay, it's not doing anything. So where this label is there? Maybe again, once again, Oracle team can review this. It is default functionality or this is another bug. Okay. So just try to understand the concept behind these different page items and then try to use different scenarios, then you will at least know what exactly you need or which page item is suitable for you. Keep in touch because we are going to discuss most of these page items are the are mostly used items uh, of Oracle Apex, right? Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.